Alright everybody, so this is going to kind of be a pain, but this is what we have to do in order for us to get our certification that you earned for passing the CIW test. Now what's going to happen is you should have an email. If you put your own email with some information that looks like this, if not, you have that fake email. I'll show you how to upload that if you need to, but if you can get to your email, you're going to have one that looks something like this. I can also try to look to see if I have this information for you, and I can also send it to you in Edmodo if need be, but this is what you're going to have to do. Okay, so your candidate has completed exam, blah, 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 with a score of 83.33. This exam result will be automatic. Transmit CIW candidate information within 1 to 2 business days. The candidate will receive an automatic email confirmation when the results have been imported. Turn certification, your candidate must log into CIW candidate information to complete the CIW certification agreement. In addition to earning a passing score in the exam, note this is a different system. It does not share login information with CTC Online. Instruct your candidates to follow these steps. This is so annoying, but we have to do this in order to get your certification. So what you're going to do here is click on this little link right here. It's going to pop up a Internet Explorer web browser. That's fine, no big deal. Alright, so from there, what you're going to do is it says, and click on I have a score report. So you're going to do that. I have a score report. Right there. Now from there, you're going to put your name in. I'm going to... Alright, I'm going to go ahead and go to split screen here. And let's get this going. Okay, so type in your first name. I'm using Dom's. So make sure you type it in the way that it's spelt on the information portal. Registration number is this registration ID right here. I know it says different things, but that's what you're going to type in there. It should not be this difficult to get your certification. I apologize. 05/23/2017. And then your site number is a CIW, all caps, 1358. And then you're going to hit submit. And if only it was just this easy. Now from here, what you have to do is you have to create a username. Well, good thing for us is it's just going to be our CCPS and your lunch number. Give me a second while I look up Dom. Alright, so CCPS lunch number 322671. Your password is going to be capital C, CPS, your lunch number, exclamation point. Capital C, CPS, your lunch number, exclamation point. Just like that. So you should be able to know that's what your password looks like. Capital C, CPS, lunch number, exclamation point. And then you're going to hit submit. Alright, now what you have to do is log in. CCPS, your lunch number is your username. Your password, capital C, CPS, lunch number, exclamation point. And then log in. This is so annoying, I know. From here, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to fill in this information. Only thing you got to fill in is your birthday. So then just put your birthday in there. And there you go. Everything else should be kind of filled in. The phone number is already set because they made you do that. Your email is already in there, so that's good. Student ID is in there. If you want to do any of this, you're more than welcome to. By no means do you have to. And then what you can do is just click down here and click verify. Again, you can do that if you want to. You do not have to. Alright, now we are in this portal right here. Now we are still not done, because what you have to do next is you have to go to candidate agreement right here. Click on candidate agreement. What you're going to then do is click here for candidate agreement, click to respond. Once in there, you're going to scroll down and click yes, I agree, and click submit. Now once you're in here, what you can do is you can go to printable documents. And in printable documents, there is your certificate right there. So click on print now. You're going to have to click on, if this pops up a pop-up blocker, click allow once. And then it should load something, I don't know. Okay, so then again, you got to click print now again. Now it should pop up. And then from here, what you're going to do is wait for it to load, because CIW would make life difficult. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click save. So you're going to click save right here. Save this to your lunch number. So your lunch number, save it as your name. So Dom Ruiz certificate. CIW cert. So just like that, your name, CIW cert, and then click save. Now, it's kind of cool. It's all your certification. Don't worry, I'll print it and laminate it for you. You just have to get it to me somehow. And I'm going to show you that in just 1 second. Alright, and then what you're going to do is you're going to make life easy. You're just going to go ahead and in your Edmodo you will see a turn-in page for your CIW cert turn-in. Obviously not everybody has one, but all of you will have one. And then you're just going to click turn-in and go to your lunch number, submit that PDF, and I'll print it out and we'll get it to you as soon as possible. So that's pretty much how you do that. Rewind this video if you need to. Let me know if you have any questions. Congratulations on passing your exam. You're amazing. And hopefully I can get you your certification ASAP. Alright, talk to everybody later. Bye.